The 7 men accused of murdering award-winning rapper Keenan aka Forbes and his friend Dibelo Tips Motsoane have been moved from Westville Prison in Durban to eBhongweni Super Maximum Correctional Centre in Kokstad. The surprise relocation emerged during the third court appearance of brothers Siyabonga Gezani and Malusi Dave Ndemande at the Durban Magistrates Court on Friday. The pair were extradited from Eswatini on 25 November 2025. There are 5 co-accused: Lindokuhle Thabani Mkhwanazi, Lindani Zenzele Ndimande, Siyanda Eti Mieza, Mziwathemba Heavy Kwabeni and Lindokuhle Lindo Ndimande have already been indicted to Durban High Court. All 7 men face charges linked to the assassination-style killing of AKA and Tips outside a Florida Road restaurant on 10 November 2023. Advocate Simphiwe Mlotshwa, representing the Ndimande brothers, said the defense only learned of the move on January 2 when they attempted to consult with their clients at Westville Prison. We are waiting for a response from correctional services to establish what transpired and whether they can be moved back. We understand the reply exists, but it has not reached us. Mlotshwa added that consulting at the Kokstad Supermax facility is severely restricted, with attorneys allowed only 30 minutes at a time, a limitation, he argues, hampers trial preparation. While the state has provided some of the extradition documentation requested by the defense, Mlotshwa said there is still information outstanding. He requested the matter be postponed to 20th February to allow both sides to clarify the circumstances around the transfer. Senior State Prosecutor Advocate Elvis Cweka confirmed the move but said the prosecution has not been informed of the reasons. At this stage, we don't have the full information as to why the accused were moved. We provisionally agreed on a postponement so that we can understand what transpired. Sources close to the matter indicated that the transfer took place in December. Cweka, who's working alongside Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions Advocate Lawrence Gaba, also sought postponements in several related matters involving the Ndimande brothers. The pair face additional charges in unrelated cases, including Case 1 2022, conspiracy to commit murder, 2 counts of unlawful possession of automatic firearms, Case 2 Siyabonga Gezani, murder, attempted murder, malicious damage to property, reckless driving, failure to render assistance after a collision, unlawful possession of automatic firearms and ammunition. All matters were postponed to 4 March by Magistrate Ifan Khalil. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.